According to Cash Pro, he said that we can actually make 1.4 cents by watching just Google ads. And if you are watching up to 10 Google ads, you should be making around $14 as estimation. Wow, that is a whole lot of, but let's hear from him if what I'm actually saying is correct.
One Google ad for 7 seconds, you will earn $1.45. Watching 10 Google ads, you will earn over $14, which is the best how to make money online method. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this website, where you can get paid to watch Google website ads and completing different offers. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, to earn money, you just need to sign up and start completing different offers like playing games, completing some simple tasks, completing various offers, sharing your opinions in surveys, and most importantly, by watching videos and Google ads. This site is available worldwide, so you can be from any country around the world, and you can still make money with it. But
as we have seen in that video, let's actually now see if in reality we can actually make that amount of money, because everybody, you and I, want to actually make money. Let's see if it's actually true. So what are we going to be doing? I will be using my cell phone here. That means I'll be sharing my screen with you through my cell phone and making this video through the cell phone so that it will be easy for those who have cell phones. So that, because he said those who have Android phones can actually do it. Those who have laptops can still do it, right? But I'll be using my phone here to share my screen with you guys step by step to see if it's actually true, to see if what he said is real, and if it's real, how can we actually make money out of it? Because he said it is actually worldwide, that it is worldwide, and worldwide means everybody or anybody from any country can actually take part in it and make profit. So guys, stick around and let's go see for ourselves if it's actually true.
So guys, you head over to Google. As you can see, that was what I actually did. I head over to Google and I actually searched for the Cointiply. Cointiply was what I actually typed in on Google and they brought me this. So I clicked on the first one because it's actually the first one. And it took me to this. They say earn free bitcoins. I'm seeing free bitcoins here, but not to panic. I had to follow everything. So all I just did, I had to enter my email address. So you can also enter your own email address. So I entered my email address and I clicked on start earning, and they showed me how to create my account. So I just had to create my account. I've already created an account before when I was trying it. So I just had to log in. So I did it. I just did a little recapture that I'm not a robot. And it just had to take me to the main home screen. So this is actually the home screen, guys. As you guys can see, I took out 3 days to actually do this to see if I can earn a lot. So all I just earned was 33 coins, which is not even up to. But let me show you guys. Let's follow what Cash Pro said so that you guys can see for yourself. So I quickly went on where the rules earn coins, and you can actually earn coins through surveys, through downloading apps, through playing of games, through daily spin, through watching of videos, right? And he said that you can actually make money watching videos, emphasis on videos. So I click on videos and they said that offer is not available in your country. I mean, we're in Nigeria, and Cash Pro said that everybody in the whole world can actually partake. I'm in Nigeria, that means I'm not able to make money watching videos. So I said, okay, let me try the daily free spin. So this is me trying the daily free spin here. I just had to click that I'm not a robot, select the required images, just follow the instructions when doing the recapturing. That was what I did. Then after then, I had to click on claim, and this was the amount of coins that I got. So I only got, they told me up that I got, was it 22 coins? I got 12 coins. Sorry, if you look at it, they say your previous row and you want total of 12 coins. So all those things, I earned 12 coins. I was surprised. I said 12 coins qua. So I earned 12 coins from there, and that was just how my coin was able to increase a little. So I wanted to see if I can still watch videos, because this one's how to watch videos. As you can see, playtime, if you want to watch videos, is only for those in US and other parts of the world. I clicked on another one. They said it is not available in my country. This offer is not in your country. That is why it's showing blank. I said, so I can't come and do more than I can. I just had to check on the withdrawal process. So I had to click by the side and it brought out this information. So I quickly clicked on withdraw, and they say if I'm to withdraw, I just had to resign in once again. And I wanted to show you guys the withdrawal process. So this is how to withdraw. This is the withdraw. It has a whole lot of ads, but I'm not really concerned about the whole lot of ads that is actually showing up. But look at the coins me have accumulated. I accumulated 45 coins. 45 coins, and that is in dollars 0.0045 cent, in BTC 0.007 BTC, and so on, blah blah blah. So they say if I'm to withdraw, there's a certain amount of coins that I need to have before I can able to place my own withdrawal. Like, look at, they said if I'm to withdraw, I think they were saying something of me having up to, if I want to withdraw to either a Bitcoin wallet, I'll have a total, if I want to withdraw to Doja wallet, I'll have a total of 30,000 coins. If I want to withdraw to Bitcoin wallet, I'll have a total of 50,000 coins. So it's something that will take a long time. You can't easily cash out that way if you have in mind that you want to cash out easily, from what I saw here. Because before someone will able to accumulate 50,000 coins, wow, when you can't even watch videos to earn great amount of coins if you're in Nigeria. So it was actually troubling for me, and I felt it's something that will actually take time and a whole lot of effort. So I went on surveys. I said, so let me see if I can do surveys so that I can see if I can actually earn out of these surveys. But for where it did not work. These surveys did not actually work. These are ways in which you can earn. We have the crest, the earning crest, and other. You can claim 20 coins. I did this quest. As you can see there, I've said I've earned coin, but it did not reflect on the coin balance that I had, and I was actually surprised why it did not reflect on my own coin balance. It did not add at all. And I was actually weak at this point. I was very, very weak at this particular point. Like, I did something, the coin they did not add up. So what was the essence? They say view a PTC page to click and all that. They were just giving me a whole lot of stuff to do. So let me just tell you, before you gain the coins here, their payment is not through PayPal. It's what you're seeing there is BTC. It's just through crypto, BTC, Doge wallet, and the rest. So I did not see PayPal, and I did not see other payments. It's just through crypto. So if you have good knowledge of crypto and you feel like you want to do this during your free time, because I believe it will take time to get 50,000. You know what's 50,000 coins? It will take a whole lot of time for you to get to that level. It will take you time, to take you effort. So if it's something you feel like and you want to put your time in, you want to put your effort in, I can tell you to go ahead. But for me, I feel like it's something that will waste my time and all that, and I really don't want to, because the way cash processed, I felt it's something you can do maybe a day, 2 days, even 3 days, because I took out 3 days to see if I can accumulate good amount of coins, but no, I did not. So these are the crypto coins they work with. These are the crypto coins you're seeing here.
Hey guys, so this is me after 3 days. I waited 3 days to see if I can accumulate more coins from CoinTilipi, but I was just only able to accumulate 45 coins, and I cannot even withdraw those 45 coins. And I was not able to also watch ads, but whenever I try to watch ads, they tell me this is not in your country. In fact, I went to Play Store and found out that the app is not available for Nigerians. I said, okay, what about surveys? I had to do surveys. There was no surveys for Nigerians. Even for me, there's no surveys. Okay, I decided to download games. Do you know that I downloaded this game and they did not even give me any coin? I wasted my time downloading that game. They did not give me any coin. I don't know if it's only me, but I wasn't able to get any coin out of it. Then the 45 coins, it was true, I think through the what's it called, the rolling of the dice and everything, that I was able to get that 45 coins. And let me tell you, please, if you want to withdraw, it is through BTC, it is through, you know, crypto. You can withdraw it through BTC, Doge, and other wallets that they listed there. So, and before you are able to withdraw, you have at least 50,000 coins before you withdraw. If it is BTC, if it is Doge wallet, you need to have like, if it's Doge wallet, you need to have like 30,000 coins. So that is going to take you a lot of while, and you cannot make money ASAP with it, guys. You can't make money ASAP. I just have to take my time to see if it's actually true or not, and this is actually my review. So if it's something you feel like you want to keep on doing, you can be doing it till when you know, you reach up to 50 before you can actually place a withdrawal through crypto. You can't withdraw through PayPal. I did not see any withdraw through PayPal or something. So that is actually my honest review about it. So if you guys love this kind of videos of me making honest review of how to make money online, don't forget to actually hit the subscribe button, drop in the comment section, and stay tuned, because I will be doing more of these reviews so that we actually don't get scammed, you know, right? So bye bye.